Oh, oh, right here, guys, right in our face. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Whoa, hold on. Whoa, whoa. That wheel, is it me or is that wheel? Oh, there's some damage right here, guys. Look at that wheel. That's not normal. Wait a minute, am I crazy? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, it ain't just me, right? Y'all noticed that too, right? I don't want to be blamed for that. Wait a minute, let me look at this again because I think I'm seeing things. All right. Can I even drive this thing? I don't want his identity and his license plate. Oh, this is bad. Wonder can I make it in the shop, guys? They must have hit something in the road. I got to get this in the air and on the lift. But I ain't sure I can drive it. Let me see how well. How did it get here? It doesn't look like it was towed here. Let's see, guys. Oh, why does this always have to happen to me? Okay, guys, this is a typical. They'll recognize the center console. Typical 2017. Hey, it starts 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Remember, guys, 2017. All 2016 and up higher Grand Cherokee likely has the Gen 3 Pentastar engine. Figured I'd throw that out there. All right, guys, I gotta find a way to get in the shop. I gotta get this in the air. Let me see. I'm in reverse. I'm rolling backwards. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Technology is off the chain. Look, when I turn the wheel, you can see. I gotta find a technical name, terminology for this because I want to be on point when I speak about it. All right. So until that happens, I'm gonna refrain from discussing it. All right. Enough clowning around, JT. Let's see if you can get this thing. Ooh, I'm wobbling just by going this a little bit. I'm trying to get in the shop, guys. So. Oh, that don't feel right. I hear some crunching, guys. Will I make it? Y'all think I'm gonna make it? Okay, let me go. All right, guys, I gotta get in the shop. So, yeah. Oh, this don't feel good. Oh, 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 oh! I'm wobbling. I'm dog trekking. Y'all heard of the term dog trekking? Oh my goodness, what is going? Wow! That feels so funny, guys. Feel like I'm riding a go-kart. All right, guys. As y'all didn't know, or in case you didn't know, I'm playing around. But I got to get in the shop, and I made it. All right, guys. I got to find a lift. Hold tight. In fact, let me go to a break. When I get back, I should have this thing in the air, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys. I'm letting this up in the air. I'm about to see what's going on under here. Because this is bad. Okay. What in the hell happened? Ooh, I'm gonna need a whole complete rear subframe. Holy crap. They might end up calling the insurance company for this. I can't tell if the lower, can y'all tell? It don't look like the lower control arm bent. What the hell? How in the... Wait a minute. I might just need... I'm trying to find something that looks physically bent. Because even if the impact... There's nothing on, no impact signs on the ramp. Even if this was hit, how would this turn this way unless this link? Oh yeah, this is bent. Y'all see that, guys? supposed to look like this. Now we'll simply replacing this, make this like this. I don't know. Okay, yeah, this, wow, that very well could be. No, not all that's wrong, but that could be. So I can't take a chance, and they won't let me take a chance. Looks like this is just bent. It's a, what do we call this? What do we call this? Alright, guys, I gotta take another break because I gotta charge my phone, number one. My battery, my light just died. I'm sure y'all can see it got dark in here, but alright, hold tight, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So here's where we at with this. As you can see, this bar is physically bent. Now the unique thing about this bar is this is seems to be a real toe adjustment bar, but I don't know what's the technical name for it. Okay, it runs from the knuckle to the subframe. So because the mere fact that it has adjustment, this is adjustment, it's what we use in alignment to adjust, I want to say toe, okay, because the wheel go in and out this way for toe. All right, now I would like to think that there's a lot of stress on this knuckle. So now it really don't matter what I recommend, what I write up, because the insurance adjuster going to come out and look at it and tell me what to put on it. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time actually diagnosing it, no more than looking at it. All right, they may, I was thinking complete subframe, but they're going to probably look over that because there's no damage to the subframe, just damage to the rear suspension part on the right rear side. So yeah, it looks like that wheel may be contacting that shock. So I might end up getting a wheel, a knuckle, this bar, shock, and based on the looks of this, it could be some stress on there. Guys, it's one of those things where it's hard to say. I really should take this bar off and see how this wheel acts as far as going in and out. But like I said, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it because the insurance company is going to basically tell me what to do. They're going to approve what it is that they approve. So we have to go from there, and of course a real alignment. But I'm not going to leave this video open up or waste a lot of time. I want to say they hit a sidewalk or something. There's some impact signs right here on the wheel, so maybe they went right there, this little area, maybe they went boom and the wheel just went inward, and based off the damage here, I don't know. But yeah, that's all right. I need this lift. It's not even my lift, guys, so I got to get off this lift. I just decided to come over here just to look at the underbody of this car. So that's all I have, man. I can't leave this video open, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.